So here I got just a video of the nice model train set layout. It looks like Lionel or some other type, anyways, similar. But anyways, I enjoyed it. So watching it looks very interesting. So it looks like a U.S. military ambulance servicing for emergency crew type thing. Yes, and interesting. And another look like a part of a CN switcher in the background there.